Southern California Pomeranian Rescue was founded by animal lovers, specifically dog lovers, and to be even more specific, Pomeranian lovers. We have a motto here, that no dog should die alone. And with that motto comes the commitment to every dog that we rescue. If you stop by a Southern California Pomeranian Rescue adoption event, you'll be greeted by very happy little Pomeranians. If you look through our book, you'll see where our heart is. As you flip through our dog book, you'll see Archie, who's very shy until he gets to know you, a little fearful. We've had Archie since he was approximately 5 days old. This dog has never been abused, yet he displays these very erratic personality behaviors of fearness and shyness. But we're not giving up on him. He's still here in rescue. We've got Bono, who was hit by a car. We've had him a little over a year. We took him to one of the best surgeons in Los Angeles to take care of his wounds, which were substantial. We have Coco and Fluffy, a pair that were owner surrendered. Coco had both of her patellas redone in rescue. And there's Chewy, who's still a biter. We've had Chewy for about 2 years. He's still a biter, so we haven't found a home for him yet, but we're not giving up on him. There's Dexter. Dexter has got a little twitch because of his medication. Dexter almost died, so he's a very special little dog.
Look, everybody, it's Dexter.
Yeah, he's fun. He's just fun. He just has that nervous, that well, then he has that because he had a stroke. Oh. He was really, really, really sick. He was on an IV, on the IV block. But he's just marvelous. He's
Look at
totally
him.
recovered.
He's come a long way.
Yes, he sure has. Look at that tail.
Yes.
He runs
Dexter.
and jumps and play bows and plays with toys and throws the toys around. He does everything a normal dog does. Come on, Dexter, let's show off.
Yes. Let's. Oh my, look at this pace. That tail.
Come on, Dexter. Good boy, Dexter. Look at him prance.
Oh.
He does better when he's moving, actually.
Yeah, it looks like it went away. His troubles went away, just running.
Good boy.
Look at that tail.
Yeah, you want to go beep beep? Come on, Dexter. Sure.
And here's Dale. Dale was caught as a free-running dog, I think, near Riverside. And he's still feral, even though we've had many trainers work with him. But he's still in rescue. We still love him. And if somebody wants to work with him, he's available. Freddie's a special needs dog. He's got one gimpy leg. Gigi's got curvature of the spine. Jackson's blind. here with Sophie and her babies, and she's got Jackson in her arms. Look at Jackson.
Jackson. This is my first time meeting blind dog Jackson, who's a rescue. And Carlos and Phil bought him a halo, a Muffin's halo. He's been very scared. He's not moving around much. He's hardly eating. He's so scared. So now we're gonna put a nice Muffin's halo on him, and then we're gonna watch the transition for him. Okay, because we want him to get his confidence back. We want him to be free to explore his surroundings, and we want to help him find a forever home so that he can get around and learn his surroundings very quickly. Look at this sweet, sweet baby. Look at that baby.
Good boy. You got your halo on? Yes, you do.
Come and see what's there, and then you can learn how this is protecting you. There you go, you see? Good boy, you see? There you go. You're not going to hurt yourself anymore. Perfect. Good boy. Look how wonderful you're doing, darling. So proud of you. Look at this baby.
There's Corky Lee. He's a bigger Pommy and he's blind, but he's such a sweet dog. We absolutely love him. He's amazing, and we know there's a home for him out there somewhere. He had all of his tests come back and they're good so far. He's got a good heart. Good boy, good sit. Apart from not being able to see very well, because he's partially blind, he walks great on a leash. He's crate trained, potty trained. He's a great little boy, and he'll make someone a great little pet. Huh, Corky? Look at that boy.
Oops.
And then there's Max. Max is a little neurological puppy that we rescued from East Valley Animal Shelter. Everybody in rescue loves little Max. He's a very special little dog. He's so special that we wanted to make sure that he was groomed and ready for his event at our February 14th Special Needs Animal Rescue event. And we went to get him groomed. And in the process of that, little Max got scared. And little Max got a little frisky today, getting ready for his debut at the Special Needs Adoption event. And got a little cuckoo and ended up breaking his leg. Huh, Maxie? Huh, he broke it in 3 different places. Max is neurological, and sometimes he gets a little hyper and does things and jumps places that he shouldn't jump. And anyway, we love Max, and he's going to be all better in about a month. Hi, Max. Max is probably about 1.5 years.